For a rapidly growing economy like the homeland, vast amounts and various sources of energy are needed to sustain growth and sate public need. Even better, the types of energy that can be reused and friendly to the environment, like the solar-driven power plant in Batangas, the President helped launch today in this report.
The 130-hectare City-Core Solar Batangas 1 power plant was opened today in Barangay Lumbangan, Tui, Batangas. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally witnessed this. According to the President, aside from helping our people reduce their electricity bills, the project will also effectively benefit the land being tilled by farmers through the project's agro-solar initiative.
Ibig sabihin, pinagsasabay ang pagtatanim at ang pag-generate ng energy. Nababawasan ang kompetisyon sa lupa, ng agrikultura at enerhiya. Kayang pasabayin ang pagsulong ng food security at renewable energy. Patunay lang na kapag may malasakit, may paraan.
He also said the government will continue to collaborate with the private sector to strengthen renewable energy in the Philippines.
Gumagawa naman ang pamahalaan ng mga hakbang upang isulong at palawakin ang renewable energy sa ating bansa. Sa pamamagitan ng Energy Virtual One-Stop Shop at Green Lanes, pinapabilis at pinapadali natin ang proseso para sa mga renewable energy project.
According to City-Core Renewables, this is the largest renewable energy power plant in Batangas and the first solar baseload power plant in the Philippines that can supply electricity for a day compared to the 8 hours that other solar energy power plants can provide. The power plant uses a battery-integrated system. This means the plant does not need diesel or fossil fuels to operate. This contributes to carbon dioxide emissions that will reach over 200,000 tons. This is also part of City-Core Renewables' goal to deliver 5 gigawatts within 5 years. Also in accordance with the Philippines Energy Transition Plan to achieve 50% of renewable energy in the energy mix by the year 2040.
Sobrang dami pong bahay makikinabang dito. But also, what's unusual about this is hindi siya intermittent na kung may araw lang. The whole day, meron pong power na medyo-generate to.
Today, more than 250,000 households are supplied with electricity by the 4 plants in the province. And this can even possibly reach more than 800,000 households after the commissioning and testing protocols are conducted at the plants before the end of the year. William Theo for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.